Hi everyone, I'm Brandon, and welcome back to News4Teens. On August 23rd, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, gave its full approval of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. The two-dose vaccine is now fully approved for people ages 16 and older. It will now be marketed under the brand name Comirnaty. According to the companies, the name represents a combination of the terms COVID-19, mRNA, community, and immunity. Co stems from COVID-19. Myrna refers to mRNA, the snippets of genetic code that tell cells to build proteins, in this case, the COVID-19 spike protein. T represents a combination of community and immunity. The Pfizer vaccine continues to be available under Emergency Use Authorization, or EUA, for 12 to 15-year-olds, and also for the administration of a third dose in certain immunocompromised individuals. According to Acting FDA Commissioner Janet Woodcock, the public can be very confident that this vaccine meets the high standards for safety, effectiveness, and manufacturing quality the FDA requires of an approved product. According to an NPR article, the White House's chief medical advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci, estimates that the FDA's official stamp of approval will convince as many as 20% of the 90 million vaccine-eligible people in the U.S. who are still unvaccinated to sign up. The FDA approval should increase public confidence in vaccines, especially in those who had concerns over its safety. So what does this mean for kids under age 12 who are still not yet vaccinated? Normally, once a drug has been FDA approved, doctors can prescribe the drug, such as the Pfizer vaccine, for reasons other than the original use. This is also known as off-label use. Despite FDA approval for individuals 16 and older, the FDA and American Academy of Pediatrics strongly warn against the off-label use of the Pfizer vaccine for children under 12. The ongoing Pfizer trials for children between 5 and 11 are expected to complete in September. Once completed, the FDA would review the trial data before likely granting an EUA around October or November. The FDA's full approval for use of the Pfizer vaccine in those 16 and older is expected to lead to more universities, companies, and local governments requiring mandatory vaccinations, especially given the spread of the highly contagious Delta variant. The Delta variant, which has become the dominant strain across the US, is more transmissible and can reinfect people who have already had COVID. In the US, new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths have soared in recent weeks. Looking at numbers from the past week, new cases are averaging around 147,000 a day, a level not seen since the end of January this year. And for the first time since mid-March of this year, deaths in the US are again averaging nearly 1,000 a day. Here are a few key points from the CDC regarding infections and the spread of the Delta variant. The Delta variant is highly contagious, more than 2 times as contagious as previous variants. Current data suggests that patients infected with the Delta variant are more likely to have severe illness and require hospitalization than patients infected by previous variants. In the US, the vast majority of hospitalizations and deaths are now occurring in unvaccinated people. Unvaccinated people are more likely to become infected, and once infected, they're able to transmit the virus to others. Fully vaccinated people appear to be able to spread the virus, but for a shorter period of time. The concern regarding decreased efficacy is one of the reasons Israel is giving a third shot to its citizens. France, Britain, and the US are also considering boosters, but more on that topic in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new.